Hello everyone! I just finished eating black bean paste noodle and it was good. Yeah. I lost my appetite and I didn't know what to eat, but my mom found the way. Obviously she didn't know, but it was good. Cage, did you enjoy your noodles too, Twilight? Your face is says so. Grandma didn't wipe your mouth. Nope, she didn't wipe my mouth, Mom. You like your corn? You like your corn? Eating it very well. 아이고 잘 먹어. Uh-oh, took your pacifier out because of your hiccuping. You hiccup every day, Pooh? Oh gosh, you even hiccup a lot on Mama's belly too.
There wasn't a single way to die on that return. Those persons who were killed instantaneously. The others who were killed by the bomb that couldn't die for days, weeks, even months.
I asked my boyfriend to get me a giant Jimmy John. Yep, that happened. My sister is telling me that, what's her name? Elizabeth Banks. She's an actress and she's gonna direct Charlie's Angels. And one of the actors that are well known to the person I know, Kristen Stewart. That's interesting. Yeah, kind of curious how that's gonna look like. Would it outdo the original Charlie's Angels? Did you guys watch the Charlie's Angels? I really like that movie. It's funny, Bill Murray and like, let's see, Drew Barrymore, Lucy Liu, and Cameron Diaz. Yeah, so I don't know how that. I don't think they could replace it because I don't know the two other actors. Let's see. Anyways, I didn't do much vlog today. Yeah, it's one of those vlogs. I don't know, I probably did film more than 5 minutes. I'm pretty sure I'm wrong. No, I don't have good memory of how much I did. Anyways, I don't want to like turn it into just like every 3 vlogs, like, and then upload every 3 vlogs. I want it to be like every day, but maybe if I had a lot of followers, subscribers, if actually more than like 1,000 people watches me, then I would be like very attentive. But this is morely for my family and friends, so, and they understand that it's already tough for me, so it's nice that they understand. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna end my vlog. Nice, bye bye, ciao. I had to make a Japanese buffet.
Says who?
Almost closing time when there was barely people, so covered, like plates were covered with empty crab legs because that's how much I ate. There is a Tabasco Bloody Mary mix. I guess it's supposed to be spicy. Bluetooth speaker that Eugene got. It was pretty cool. I would like to show it to you guys. It felt like there was 2 speakers. I'm gonna get this new thing that we've never seen. It's a cold press, never heated. Only have Papa Zero and not Costco, but they have it. We can have. Don't want to come back to Costco after that, so yeah. I'm still watching Judy's. I'm still on her VidCon 2015 one. They did a really, I don't know if Judy no longer edit her vlogs anymore. I'm scratching right now. Not my butt, don't worry. I'm scratching my legs. I have like 1, 2. Kind of spice to it, so yeah. And I also got a sandwich. Hey, stop! Purpose. You're just you're trying to get off? You want to learn to get off, but you're too small for that. Girl. Oh. Oh my god! Oh my. Do you like that one? You're so talkative. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. 혼내는 거야, 무프야?
일 똑바로 하라고.
All the Pokeballs! Sure. Daddy's gonna come home today, Mupu, and it's his day off. Dad helped bought this fridge at Home Depot because I don't have to go downstairs to get milk or pee. I don't know what's going on. And got kimbap. Wednesday I got from Fido Seattle. She looks so cute in it. I think you're wearing your shirts backward, Twilight. I mean, the correct letter. Hopefully we'll be in a lot of luck to find it because following Twilight. Oh, they have more stuff here than Babies R Us, which I'm very shocked. What is this? What is this? Back where it belongs, or are you gonna just hold it? Oh my god, they have other things like toys. Educational. Nice. So she can come in and out by herself and her blanket could be here. Oh, but they have the chair here.
Oh, the bear has it.
Uh-huh. Hey, that's the same toy that she has at home. Oh, but she's interacting with the... What about this place is you can't really find stuff. What still plays it?
Yeah, she still plays with it because...
The one you broke?
Freeze dance! When the music stops, freeze!
You're almost there. Come on, Twilight, you can do it. What in the world is she doing? Huge box. I don't even know how it's gonna fit in that car, honestly. We like shoved it. This is too taunting to you. I'm gonna turn off.
Excuse, but hey, you know what? I would love it. I would love it in the future.